To set up your Koinly account and invite your accountant, start by going to koinly.io and then click on the sign up button. Then you will have two options. The first one is continue with your Google account to create your Koinly account directly, or you can manually enter your details, that is your name, your email address, and a password for your new account. When you're done, click on the create account button. Now, Koinly will send a verification code to the email you just provided. Open your inbox, grab the code and enter it to verify your account. Once verified, you will be asked to choose your account type, select individual, then click text reports, hit continue, and once more click the continue button. Now you're inside your Koinly dashboard. From here, let's give your accountant access. Simply click on the settings, then go to the theme tab, and here click on invite button, and then type in your accountant's email address and hit send invite. And once your accountant accepts the invite, they will have access to your dashboard. From there, they can fix messy transactions, catch errors or duplicates, reconcile rewards like forks and airdrops, and generate tax reports customized for your country's tax system. And that's it. You have set up your Koinly account, invited your accountant, and now they can handle the heavy lifting for you.